Hi, well, hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel today. If you're just tuning in for the very first time, a very warm welcome to you. My name is Nike. Thank you guys so much for stopping by today. And to all my returning subscribers, you guys are the real MVPs. Thanks so much for all the love and all the support that you show me on this channel. So let's dive straight into this video, guys. I do have a package sitting here pretty, and this package was sent to me by UNAHUBS. Let's go ahead and unbox it real quick so you guys can know what kind of bag this is. I thought about doing it myself, but I was just like, you know, how about we go ahead and we do it together, okay? So you guys should stay tuned and let's go ahead and do this unboxing together. Meanwhile, for those of you guys that are new here, please do consider hitting the like and the subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell so you will be notified anytime I upload a very beautiful video like this, okay? And thanks so much for stopping by, okay? Meanwhile, today is the 9th of February. I just want to check up on everyone. How are you guys doing? Today is the 9th of February 2025. How is life treating you? Hope everything is going gracefully. As for me, I can't even complain, but I'm thankful. And guess why I'm thankful, guys? I'm thankful for life, thankful for family, thankful for friends, you know, thankful that I am here, and thankful for you guys as well. So it's still wrapped in a box here, as you guys can see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox this real quick. Hi guys, so at this point I had no idea that my sound had disconnected. It was no longer recording my voice, and I sincerely do apologize for that. So let's go ahead and open the box. Here we do have the receipt of purchase. The seller was kind enough to include everything in there for me to see, and the guy said it comes in a protected bag first that says it is a Louis Vuitton on the Go PM bag in 25 centimeter long, 19 centimeter high, and 11.5 centimeter wide, and it's the color black. Oh my gosh, guys, do you guys see how pretty it is looking? And then here is the dust bag. It's okay, it's okay, it's cool. You guys see that? It also has the Louis Vuitton print written on it. We'll put that to the side. You guys, I'm so sorry. I didn't know my voice had gone, like my sound. Ugh, quite embarrassing, right? But the bag is beautiful. It is the monogram design. I love the gold hardware. It has the Louis Vuitton on it. So pretty. I love it, guys. I love this monogram design. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. What do you think about the bag, the size, and also the hardware? Here we do have the long strap. Mind you guys, I don't know what I was saying in the video, so it's not, I don't know. But here for the Louis Vuitton bags, I noticed they always do have locks. So that's the lock, the inner lock in there. And then the stuff for hanging the straps, it's hidden inside as well. Wow, I really like the idea of them having it inside. I think I like it. And what else can we find in this bag? It also has an inner pocket, as you guys can see. You just dump your credit cards, or maybe whatever cards you want to dump in there, your parking tickets or hotel cards in case you travel. Because this bag is so versatile, you could travel with it. You can easily reach into the bag as well. It has a very beautiful leather inside as well, the cloth, and then here it has Louis Vuitton written on it as well. It's beautiful, guys, trust me, and it's really affordable on
the website, you could get this for about $360. Remember, I'll be dropping the link to their website in the description. Check UNAHUBS bags out. They have beautiful authentic bags. I mean, why do you have to break the bank to go spend about, I think the original price for this is about $3,150. Who's gonna know? No one's gonna know. So if you're looking for good quality, you guys know even dupes come in different qualities. So if you're looking for good quality, beautiful, fashionable designer bags to make a statement, check out UNAHUBS bags. The gold hardware, cute. I love it. It's beautiful. Do you guys see that? I love the monogram design as well. It's classy. So it's a versatile bag. You could hold it anyhow you want to, depending on your mood. This way, which I would not really do. This is me. Yes, like this is me. I'll hold it, that way. And then let's go ahead and take this off and fix the strap to the bag real quick. Oh, and just so you guys know, on their website, they also do have the PM, the MM, and the GM. Check them out, guys. You probably might not like the black color. You might like the brown monogram design. Whichever one you want. It's all on UNAHUBS bags website. Check them out real quick, guys. So let's go ahead and fix the strap. I love it. Looks like a bucket back this way. I'll take this shopping. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer some of the things from my bag into this bag. I do have my Michael Kors bag here, so I have two phones. There's my second phone, that was my Motorola. Here is my iPhone in the bag right now. Those are my necessities. I go out with my wallet because I have my ID in my wallet. I have my card, my debit, my credit cards. Obviously, I do have a notepad that I take along with me anywhere I go. And then I see it's so handy. It fits. Oh my gosh, it fits in. It fits. Like it fits into everything that I do carry along with me. These are my go-to, And I haven't even gone ahead to put like my hairbrush or maybe extra items, just my normal go-to items. And see, it did work. But I'm not gonna hold it like this anyway, just so you guys see personally. But I love it, guys, and it's affordable. So do not forget to check out UNAHUBS bags. They have beautiful, authentic products on their site, and they don't only sell bags, they sell shoes too. Check them out. Oh yeah, see, here we go, my hairbrush. Let's see. Technically this hairbrush is actually big, but I do have a smaller one, but still it could fit in, even though I had to force it in. But yes, I don't want to spoil the bag, so I'll take it out. But yes, it did fit in the bag as well. So maybe I go for my powder breaks and I need my hairbrush. It can fit in. Trust me, I think I can still put a lot of things in here, like maybe my sunglasses case. But I'm someone that doesn't want to spoil bag, so I just let it be. But anyway, guys, this is the bag. And I really love it. I would just really like to know what you guys think in the comment section. Again, I will keep saying it. Do not forget to check out UNAHUBsbags.com. .ru. I'm sorry. I'll be putting the website in the description. And then here we go, guys. You guys see that? This is like for a casual outing because I'm obviously looking casual here. And then you can as well do this if you're going. Oh, see, for me, if I am going to be going to the mall for shopping, this is how I'm gonna hold this bag. Trust me, because of security purposes. I want my bag in my front. But if I'm going for other occasions, maybe like, dinner with my friends, I just hold it this way. I'm going to the office, even though I don't go to the office anymore. I just hold it this way. And it's cute. It looks very cute, very classy, very demure. So, you guys should let me know what you think about this bag. I love the fact that it's not too big, it's not too small. It's a tote bag. I could just rush in it, drop my hand in there, pick up, take in, easily accessible. It's durable too as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video up until this extent. You guys are amazing. Honestly, just listening to my shenanigans. I really appreciate you. Thanks for all the love and the support. Bye guys. I'll see you guys in my next video, okay? See you.